Have you ever noticed how your Brazilian wax just doesn't last? One month you're silky smooth, and the next regrowth appears. Wouldn't it be great to stay perfectly smooth all year long? Today we're discussing the seasonal Brazilian wax, a routine for glowing, comfortable skin, no matter the weather. Brazilian waxing isn't just for summer pool parties. It's a lifestyle choice that saves time and reduces irritation. Following a seasonal waxing schedule keeps your skin balanced, giving you that flawless finish every month. Spring is ideal for a fresh start. Regular waxing now means you'll be smooth before swimsuit season starts. But warmer weather can make skin sensitive and hair grow faster. Extra hydration and gentle aftercare keep your skin looking sun-kissed and silky. When fall arrives, don't think it's time to take a break. Big mistake. Cooler months make managing regrowth easier, setting you up for quick sessions later. The cold makes skin drier, so use richer lotions to prevent irritation and enjoy even smoother results. If you're loving these seasonal tips, hit that subscribe button. We have more beauty secrets to help you feel amazing year-round. Here's the secret many pros won't share. You can't use the same products year-round. Summer needs lightweight, cooling moisturizers, while winter requires thicker, soothing options. Exfoliating should be gentle in the cold and more frequent when it's hot. Listen to your skin and adjust your routine for better results. Committing to seasonal Brazilian waxing goes beyond hair removal. You can stretch the time between appointments. Your skin feels healthier, there are fewer ingrown hairs, and you'll avoid last-minute stress. It's that year-round confidence boost, whether in a bikini or cozy jeans. In 2025, Brazilian waxing is more than just summer. It's a lifestyle glow-up. A simple seasonal approach keeps you smooth and ready for anything. If this was helpful, drop a like and share it with a friend who deserves to know these secrets too.